The Malaysian food and beverage F&B industries is a fast-growing market with various selections. However, Malaysia is heavily dependent on the importation, especially in raw materials such as meat, dairy milk and wheat for local consumption and export. A slight change in innovation and ideas is needed for F&B companies to prosper. This is where SIRIM helps and develop efficient and innovative solutions to implement F&B industry standards.
SIRIM is actually a one-stop center for F&B industry. Actually, F&B sector is one that keep on increasing in terms of the capacity and in terms of what entrepreneurs want to do. Because everywhere that I notice that most of the entrepreneurs will start off with F&B sector, meaning selling something related to food or beverages. Yeah? So to me, in terms of the capacity what F&B can offer is quite wide.
SIRIM has always been ahead in developing new technologies and surpassing the highest quality standards across industries sector, especially in the food and beverage industry. We have combined professionalism and experience and offer the best services in F&B. SIRIM provides services for the F&B sector including nutrition fact, food testing. Besides, SIRIM also offers the services such as develop design for packaging and branding or logo, entrepreneur development program, innovative packaging and eco-friendly packaging. SIRIM runs special courses and seminars led by experts in F&B to help them continue to raise their level of their services and solutions. Our integrated design solution means we are partners working side by side with industry professionals to help our customers find the most efficient solutions for their needs in F&B.
SIRIM not just giving us the assistance of advice, guidance, consultancy. SIRIM also help us because SIRIM have their own lab testing. For us to have our own internal lab testing like SIRIM is another different story. It's another huge funding. But SIRIM help us, you have your formulation, you give us the sample, we test it for you. What test you want? You want to do this anti-doping test, you want to do that test, you want to do this test, we can do it for you. We can even advise you, look, if you put these ingredients, this will help you to increase the performance of energy, this will help you to increase the performance of stamina. So we are very grateful because this project that with SIRIM that help us, and the machine that they give us is working so well for us. I'm very, very happy.
Peringkat pertama, apabila kita membuat R&D produk apa semua, kita bangunkan produk, kita lupa bahawa packaging dan labeling ini merupakan satu aspek yang amat penting kepada sesuatu produk. Bila kita masuk ke pasaran, kita gagal bersaing. Jadi saya meminta bantuan daripada SIRIM macam mana untuk kita perbaiki kita punya packaging and labeling apa semua. SIRIM mula membantu kita, bermula dengan teknologi audit, kemudian packaging and labeling, 5S, semua di bawah SIRIM. Apa yang ditawarkan oleh agensi seperti SIRIM perlu setiap usahawan ambil maklum dan juga ambil tindakan.
We at SIRIM have always been ahead in developing new technologies and surpassing the highest quality standards to support the F&B industry. Looking to the future, we keep striving forward in our progress to become the best partner for innovation.